আজকে আমাদের কিচেনে আমাদের একটা ফ্রেন্ড এসেছে ও হচ্ছে ফ্রান্সের রাহুল what are you making
So today I'm going to be making a French treat. This is the way my grandmother used to make the crepes. So I've learned everything from her. It's a completely traditional, very classic recipe.
এটা হচ্ছে একটা ফ্রেঞ্চ ট্রিট এটা ব্রেকফাস্টের জন্য খায় ডিনারের জন্য খায় আবার সেলিব্রেশনের জন্য খায়
So we only need a few ingredients. We need plain flour, eggs, milk, and a bit of salt and a bit of vanilla extract.
ওকে মাত্র অল্প কয়েকটা জিনিস ময়দা ডিম দুধ আর হচ্ছে একটু ভ্যানিলা এক্সট্রাক্ট What are you doing now?
So now I've weighed the flour. I'm making a hole in the flour and I'm going to put 4 eggs in the middle.
So ময়দা লাগবে হচ্ছে 250 গ্রাম সো ময়দাটা চারপাশে সরায় মাঝখানে একটু হোল করে নিল এবং ওই মাঝখানে হচ্ছে এখন 4টা ডিম দিতে হবে মাঝারি সাইজের ডিম হচ্ছে 4টা আর যদি বেশি বড় হয় তাহলে হয়তো 3টাও হবে So what are you doing now?
So now I'm going to break the eggs and start mixing.
Okay.
To make it easier, I'm going to add about 100 milliliter of milk at this point. And then I start mixing everything together.
আচ্ছা সো ময়দা প্রথমে একটু সাইডে করে মাঝখানে ডিমটা ভেঙে তারপরে হচ্ছে 100 মিলিলিটার দুধ প্রথমে অ্যাড করেছে পুরোটা অ্যাড করে নাই সো নাও ইউ আর জাস্ট ট্রাইং টু মিক্স এভরিথিং
So now I'm mixing everything into a paste that is going to be hard enough that I can break up all the lumps.
Okay.
You see, it's making...
Is this really important to make sure that...
Yeah. The key to succeeding at making great crepes is to not have any lumps. And to not have any lumps, you need a lot of strength in your arm.
I see. Okay. So এখন মেক শিওর করতে হবে যে এই ব্যাটারটা একদম স্মুথ এখানে কোনো লাম্প রাখা যাবে না could you use a blender or a beater
Yeah, a lot of people nowadays use blenders. But I like to do it the traditional way.
I see. এটা পুরো মাসেলের ট্রেনিং হয়ে যাবে
This is the way my grandmother used to make the crepes. So I've learned everything from her.
So is this very, very traditional then?
It's a completely traditional, very classic recipe that we'll do quite often, probably at least once a week. And then the whole family will enjoy it over a couple of days.
So you make it and then you have it like over a few days?
Yeah, because we usually make probably 4 times these quantities and then that will make about 100 crepes and we'll have it over multiple days, yeah. So now the dough is the consistency that you're looking for. It has no lump and it's fluid. So I will start adding the milk very slowly and incorporate it into the dough.
Okay.
So usually we would make hundreds of crepes of plain dough and just eat them equally for savory or sweet. Consistency of the batter must be fluid like milk. This is too thick, so I'm just going to add the rest of the milk.
So এই ব্যাটারটা একদম পাতলা করতে হবে ও একটু আগে যে কনসিস্টেন্সি দেখালো এটা একটু ঘন সো আরো পাতলা করার জন্য আর একটু দুধ দিল
That is much better.
Okay.
So now the dough is ready. All we need to do is just add a pinch of salt.
Okay.
And if you want it to taste a bit more flavorsome, you can add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Okay. So this is optional.
It is optional.
এটা হলে ফ্লেভারটা সুন্দর হবে স্পেশালি যদি সুইট ক্রেপস করি তাহলে ফ্লেভারটা খুব ভালো আসবে বাট এটা না দিলেও হবে
So we need a pan with a flat bottom, as large as you can. We need to turn on the heat at the maximum strength.
Okay.
And we need a bit of oil for the crepe to not stick to the pan. You have to wait until the pan is really hot.
Okay.
I would usually pour a bit of oil into a pot.
Why are you pouring it into a pot?
So I can use a little piece of tissue and brush a bit of oil inside the pan.
I see. Oh, you just need a tiny bit of oil.
Just a bit so that it doesn't stick.
Okay.
Then the best is to use a ladle and take a small quantity.
Okay.
And then move your wrist.
I see. Oh, that's the technique. You have to have a good technique.
Yes.
And it needs to be as thin as possible, right?
I made a bit of a mess.
No, that's perfectly fine.
That's fine. Oh, thanks for cleaning.
You keep the heat at maximum.
Yeah.
And then you can use a little spatula
Yeah.
to lift the edges and see when it's ready.
Okay.
It's not ready yet because the first one is always a bit more difficult than the other one because the pan is never really hot.
Yeah.
So we used to say in France that this first one is always a miss. We would usually give it to the dog.
Oh, that's nice. I can be the dog in this case if you want.
So I'm gonna try the brave method. I'm gonna try and flip this one. So what you wanna do is unstick it completely
Yeah.
and you have it turn. Put it at this side of the pan and here goes nothing.
Oh. Maybe we can do some with eggs today.
Eggs and cheese is a very classic French crepe. Yeah, let's do it now. So you cook the egg while the crepe cooks. Do you know what I mean?
How do you do that?
When you flip it,
Yeah.
you put the egg in the middle.
Oh.
That's how we do it.
okay. Oh, let's do that.
Let's do that.
So to do a crepe with egg,
Yeah.
we're going to first make the first half of the crepe and then flip it over and crack the egg on top while the second half cooks.
তো প্রথমে নর্মালি যেরকম ক্রেপ বানায় ওরকম বানাবে, তারপর ফ্লিপ করার পরে এখন হচ্ছে এখানে ডিমটা দিবে। very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it should be okay. We usually do it like that and then you put it on the plate.
Oh wow.
Key
Nice.
is to cover it so that the egg cooks a little bit faster.
I see. Oh, that is good video.
I really like how clean you cook.
Oh yeah, I like to keep my kitchen clean.
It's really, really nice.
Yeah, it's nice to clean while you're cooking. Then you don't have to do the cleaning after cooking.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice.
This is our last crepe.
Woohoo! And then we can eat.
Very excited. Yeah.
সো এখন হচ্ছে খাওয়ার পালা। আমি তো খুব এক্সাইটেড। এখন হচ্ছে আমরা টপিং করব, টপিংগুলো করে তারপর খাওয়া দাওয়া শুরু। খাওয়াটা হচ্ছে মেইনলি মাঝখানে হচ্ছে ক্রেপসগুলো থাকবে আর টপিংগুলো দিব আমরা সাথে। টপিংয়ের জন্য আমরা নিচ্ছি কলা, তারপরে আছে আঙুর আর হচ্ছে আম। সো বেসিক্যালি টপিংয়ের জন্য যে কোনো ফ্রুট মিষ্টি করতে চাইলে যে কোনো মিষ্টি ফ্রুট দিয়েই মজা লাগবে। ওকে, সো এখন হচ্ছে আমরা খাওয়া শুরু করব। You want some coffee?
Yes, please.
Let's start now.
Thank you.
You start yours, I'll see you, and then I'll make mine. So
you
usually,
take a crepe in your plate. Should we go for chocolate banana?
yeah, let's do that.
Take chocolate.
Oh, that looks very nice. So very generous with the
Generous of the chocolate.
I'll do the same.
And
So এটা নিব। এখানে আমরা নিয়েছি হচ্ছে নাটেলা চকলেট। এটা হচ্ছে একটা generous amount. The banana. I'll take some more. I really like banana. So what's your favorite type of topping?
for me, I really like the classic French one, which is just sugar and lemon juice.
Oh, okay.
You can try that one after.
I want to try it. So you just put sugar and then lemon?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this.
There is two ways to fold the crepe. You can just bring it over or unroll it,
Okay.
or you can fold it twice. It's up to you.
So fold it like this and then this.
Yeah. You can also do
This way.
Oh, this is called patishapta pitha.
Hey, it's ekdom patishapta. So we have a thing in Bangladesh which is called patishapta, and that looks just like this.
France
and then
and
do you
Bangladesh
eat?
unite.
They put
Yeah.
coconut inside.
Yeah, coconut and kheer. এক ধরনের ক্ষীর দিয়ে করা হয়.
So
Oh, and then you take it up with your.
Yeah.
Ah.
That's very cheeky.
This is very nice.
It's
মিষ্টি তারপর চকলেটি, তারপরে এটা হচ্ছে খুব পাতলা একদম থিন, অনেক মজা।
খুব মজা।
খুব মজা।
So now what topping are you gonna try?
Well, I'm thinking to do a French one to show you.
Yeah.
So it's very simple. We have
Oh, you take the sugar first. Yeah.
make a line. Take the lemon juice.
Yeah.
You can do with a real lemon if you like.
So এটার মধ্যে হচ্ছে আমরা এমনি লেমন জুস কিনা, ইচ্ছা হলে জাস্ট নর্মাল লেবু নিয়ে এরকম জাস্ট। সো লিটারালি ওইটা দিল, ওইটার উপরে একটু চিনি, তারপর হচ্ছে লেমন জুস। Oh, I want to try it too.
Good.
That looks very simple.
It looks very simple. I wonder how it does. It taste good? Okay,
That's so good.
try করে। সো প্রথমে জাস্ট এটা নিয়েছে, এটার উপরে 1 spoon. Yeah.
Yeah, otherwise it's too sweet.
Yeah.
Very classic French way, you know?
It's the most classic. It's the staple French.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's very good.
Yeah.
Not too much.
Okay. And then you just roll it. খুব সিম্পল।
Yeah, you can
Yeah.
fold it in two, yeah.
এটা এত পাতলা, it's like so thin and so tiny, right?
Yeah, that looks yummy.
এ খুবই মজা।
The taste is
এটা
very
easy.
balanced.
Yeah. ডিমটা দেখতেও খুব সুন্দর।
So usually, I think it's best to break the egg.
Oh, okay. So you get this. তো এখানে যে ডিমের ইটা আছে, এটা এখনো নরম আছে।
Let it
really nice
run
and
inside.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So এটা এখন মানে বেসিক্যালি একটা সসের মতো হয়ে গেল এটা দিয়ে।
And then take a big bite.
Oh, that looks really yummy.
That's a big bite.
এইটা আই থিঙ্ক সকালের নাস্তায়
Perfect.
প্রত্যেকটা একদম পারফেক্ট। সো এখন হচ্ছে একটু মধু দিয়ে আর আম দিয়ে তারপরে এটা ট্রাই করব।
I want to try the same as you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
সো এটা হচ্ছে এটা খুবই ভার্সেটাইল। বানানোর পরে যে কোনো ফ্রুট যখন যেটা বেসিক্যালি বাসায় থাকে ওইটা দিয়েই, তবে নাটেলার বানানাটা খুবই খুবই মজা লাগছে।
Thank you.
আমি হচ্ছে এটা এখন রোল
Yeah, I
করব।
also like the Nutella one. It looked really nice.
Nutella one was very tasty as well.
This is a nice way to eat a lot of fruits
It's a good way for kids to eat fruit.
in breakfast, yeah.
হ্যাঁ। It's not bad.
It's very
different.
exotic.
Yeah.
Is it nice?
হ্যাঁ
With the mango.
হ্যাঁ আমেদেও মজা, খুব মজা লাগতেছে। এটা একদমই ডিফারেন্ট, বানানার নাটেলা দিয়ে একরকম। It's very different from the previous ones. The Nutella and banana হচ্ছে একটা একরকম টেস্ট, বা এটা টেস্টটাও অনেক মজার, মিষ্টি লাগতেছে।
It's very fresh.
Yeah.
Which one was your favorite?
যে তিনটা out of the three, I think Nutella and banana
Me too.
was my favorite, right? Yeah.
So, do you think people will actually try it in Bangladesh?
I think so. So জিজ্ঞাসা করলো যে বাংলাদেশে আমার এই ভিডিও দেখে কেউ কি অ্যাকচুয়ালি এটা ট্রাই করবে নাকি।
I would like to see. So, if you guys try this, please send the picture. I'd be very curious to see.